Mr. President, the argument here has been that
I'm not Mr. President. I am the fourth president.
My apologies. The fourth president of the Republic of Kenya,
yes.
Uhuru Kenyatta. The argument here has been that if you continue politicking, then you may lose.
Have you seen me in any rally?
Declaring maybe.
Have you seen me in any rally?
Not really. But
have you seen me in any demonstration?
Not really.
Have you seen me anywhere except where, and all my functions are public. This government knows all the activities I have been doing, be it in Ethiopia, be it in DRC. I don't do it undercover. They know. Yeah. So which are these other activities? Maybe they should tell us. They're the ones who know. They have the whole system. Yeah. Instead of going onto cars to claim. See, that's what I'm saying. I'm here. Do you have to go and look for my mother? Do you have to go and look for my children? Right? Come for me. I'm here. Yeah? I'm here. In full view of you. Yes. So if you have those claims, sema. Shida iko wapi? Sema. Another question? Yes, please.
There are also allegations that you financing the opposition to frustrate the government.
To frustrate them from doing what? To frustrate them from doing what? You know, when you're a government, you're elected to rule. You're elected not to rule, actually, to govern. And to govern in accordance with the wishes of the people. Yeah? I am a retired person. Yes? Why don't they deal with the issues and the concerns that Kenyans are raising? That's what they should be dealing with. Not looking for scapegoats. Yeah? Go deal with the issues that Kenyans are raising. Right? When I was in power, I was dealing with the issues that Kenyans were raising. Yeah? These are not new things. Yes? Go deal with them.
Have you perhaps had a tete-a-tete with the current president of William Ruto?
No. I mean, you have a tete-a-tete with somebody who wants to have a tete-a-tete with you. He has not shown any indication that he wants to talk to me. And as a retired person, why should I go look for somebody who doesn't want to talk to me?
Do you feel like perhaps the safety of your family is being threatened?
Absolutely, and that's why I'm here. Yeah? And as you know, I have been quiet. But being quiet does not mean I will not defend my family. I will defend my family. Right? And I will defend it to the end. All right? I defended Kenya and I did my best for this country. Okay? You may not think, or whoever has that opinion, that is an opinion. But according to me, I did the best I could do for my country. All right? And I handed over when my time was finished. And I will now do the best that I can do to defend my family.
Mr. Retired President, you called a Jubilee delegates meeting on in 22nd, I think, February or May. And the question here is, don't you think that is a form of maybe actively participating in politics, trying to iron out?
No. And I said it when I was even right there on the platform. My idea and my plan was always to surrender my party. But what I completely rejected was the coup that was planned by this government to take over my party forcefully. And I said, let the members decide. But I will not. To a group of puppeteers. No. And I stood up and I said, let the members of Jubilee choose who they want to lead them. And that is the person I shall hand over to.
And the politicians you're referring to, these were actually your allies formerly. Do you feel betrayed in any form of way?
I have no issue. They are free to do whatever they want. I can't comment about it. Whatever they want to do, that's their business. Right? My issue is the membership. It is the people. It is the agenda that Jubilee went to the election with. That is what needs to be defended. What individuals do, you go ask them themselves. Me, I carry no grudges against anybody.
And with the latest development in the party,
I don't, please, why are you diverting to other things? Me, I'm telling you what I am here, what I'm talking to you about, is the fact that when I was president, I defended my country. As a retired man, I am protecting my family. And I will. All right? And I will not be intimidated.
Lastly, there has been a call for truce by, members.
That's got nothing to do with me. Yeah, so truce, this, truce, that's not my business. Yeah, but leave my family out of it. And like I say, and I say once again, to you who think you can intimidate an old woman so that you intimidate me and grandchildren so you can intimidate. If you want me, come, here I am. Sijaenda pahali. Msiende kusema huyu ametoroka, ameenda. Niko na watu yenu, wanajua every second, wanajua niko wapi. Yeah, wachana na watoto, wachana na wazee. Mimi niko hapa kama mko na swali na mimi. Sawa? Yeah? Sasa hiyo watu sijui wameenda wapi. Waende, wakirudi, watarudi. Kama hawatarudi, wakae. Lakini kwangu, hii ni nyumba yangu. Yeah? Sio yangu, ni ya watoto yangu. Yeah? Na mimi nitalinda kama kila mwananchi mwingine atalinda mali yake. Yeah? Sio ndio haki ya kila Mkenya. Yeah? Na mimi siwaulizi wanipatie walinzi, wakitaka kuwachukua wachukue wote, lakini wanipatie heshima yangu ya kulinda pia mimi mali yangu kama Mkenya mwingine.
Lastly, before you actually exited office, you had a meeting in Sagana and you said to the people that they will suffer after you exit. Do you think they make...
You know what I said. So if you want to know about what I said, me, I don't try and hide from what I said. Kwenda kufanya search button kwa Google ama whatever, utajua nilisemaje. Na hiyo ni public knowledge. Si ni namna hiyo. Kuna haja ya kurudia. Kwenda Google tu ufinye button, utajua. Ama namna gani? Na nawashukuru. Na ombi langu kwenu nyinyi kama fourth estate, lindeni uhuru wa Wakenya. Yeah? Lindeni demokrasia ya taifa letu. Sina ingine. Hiyo ni haki yenu. Si ndio? Yeah? Na Wakenya wanawatarajia mfanye hivi. Sawa? I have now a situation where my son's home is being raided for things that I don't understand. So I asked myself, what does this government want? Because if it wants me, the fact that I've been silent doesn't mean I'm scared. Come for me. Why do what does my mother have to do with anything? What does my children have to do with anything? Kama shida yenu ni mimi, I'm here. Right? Yeah? They know where I am 24/7. Right? Why all this? Intimidate a 90-year-old woman. Intimidate children. Right? If it is me you want, you come and tell us what you want.
Mr. President, they have been claiming that you are behind the Azimio la Umoja protest and you're funding the protest. Perhaps, how do you reply to this statement?
You tell me, right? And I have said it severally. And that's why I keep saying, maybe silence sometimes is not right. Yeah? But I have ignored it because I have asked myself, how? Yeah? What does the issues that Kenyans are talking about have nothing to do with me? All right? Have you seen me in any of those events? Have you seen me talk about any of those events? Yeah? Now if you say that because of my association with Raila, am I not supposed to talk to my friends? Is that a crime in Kenya today? Yeah? Is that a crime? Maybe you should tell me. If it's a crime, maybe you should say, oh, it is a crime to associate with this individual, with this. I thought the only crime was to associate with terrorists. So are you telling me that they are terrorists? Then, because then that would be the only argument you would have. Or bank robbers or something. Right? Yeah? But I thought we lived in a democracy in Kenya. I thought, I believed. Yes? And that's why I handed over whatever. I may not have supported this government. Yes? But I accepted the will of the people, didn't I? You all